Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your address and occupation details in your OCI card. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, these services come under the miscellaneous services, and this is done as per gratis services where you are not supposed to pay any fee. So how you are going to do it, if you want to, is to go to the OCI site. As you can see, I have opened here, and click on OCI miscellaneous service. Because of the privacy of the content, I am showing you screenshots with some portions removed. Okay, so now you're going to click on proceed. You have to accept terms condition and click on accept. In the next screen, it's going to give you a captcha that you have to enter and proceed. Now you need to select whether you want to fill a new miscellaneous application, or if you have some partially filled with a temporary ID that you want to do. So if you're coming for the first time, you're going to go for fill new miscellaneous services application. Next is to verify. You need to put your passport number, OCI number and date of birth and click on proceed. Okay, and only when the information matches the system, you will see the next page where you see I have a white block where I have removed the details. It's going to show all the details. Okay, now you see it has a section for services for updation of information in OCI records, gratis service. So where you can update your passport information and address occupation updation. So for this purpose, we are selecting this address occupation updation. Click on next. Here your email is auto populated, that I have removed. Now you can populate it with the details. Okay, and the reason for availing this service. Then at the bottom you will have submit option, and next is going to ask you for the image, and from there you're going to finally finish it. So that's how it works guys. Let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.